look at how you can trade on any cryptocurrency exchange. To buy crypto, click on Buy Crypto. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You will have multiple options to choose from. Next, enter the amount and select the currency type. Now, select the payment method. You will have options to pay using credit card, debit card or through UPI. To trade with wide range of options, click on Markets. On this page, you will find various cryptocurrency pairs. Select the one you want to trade by clicking on Trade. You can buy and sell cryptos at a certain price with limit order. All you got to do is enter the price, the amount and click on Buy or Sell. Also, using the market option, you can buy or sell crypto instantly for the current market price. Under the market trade, you can see various trades. The green values represent the various bids from buyers and the red ones are from the sellers. Choose the bid that fulfills your requirement. To check out various orders, go to Orders. If you want to deposit or withdraw cryptos, go to Wallet. Now, click on Deposit. Choose the network. The basic steps to carry out the deposit successfully are available on the page itself. To withdraw, click on Wallet again, then select Withdraw. Now, select the network, enter the amount along with the address. Now, click on Request a Withdrawal. As you scroll below, you can see all your recent withdrawals. To check out your recent transactions, go to Transactions. You can find all the details regarding the past transactions along with the date it was executed on.